Imagine a world where data processing isn't centralized in massive data centers, but happens right where it's needed, on-site in real time. This is the promise of edge computing, and the market is racing toward a staggering $245.30 billion valuation by 2032. That's a 35.24% compound annual growth rate, CAGR, from 2024 to 2032, fueled by the explosive rollout of 5G networks and the hunger for low latency. High bandwidth performance. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this rapid expansion sustainable, or are we setting the stage for a tech bubble? Let's break it down. In 2023, the global edge computing market was valued at approximately $16.21 billion. By 2032, analysts predict it will balloon to over $245 billion, driven by a perfect storm of 6G advancements, IoT proliferation, and AI's insatiable appetite for real-time data. The Indian Ministry of Communications recently pushed telecom operators and startups to move edge computing from labs to real-world applications, smart cities, Industry 4.0, and more, sparking a 14% surge in adoption. But here's the twist. Is government-led innovation the key to unlocking edge computing's full potential? Or is it stifling organic growth? We'll explore that debate later. Who's winning in this race? The market is a battleground for tech giants and innovators alike. Amazon Web Services, Microsoft, and Google Cloud are all vying for dominance with solutions like AWS IoT Greengrass and Azure IoT Edge. Meanwhile, companies like NVIDIA, Jetson, Dell, Edge Gateway, and Qualcomm IoT Services are building the hardware and infrastructure to support this shift. Even newcomers like Foghorn Systems and Zella DC are making waves with Edge AI and outdoor micro data centers designed for extreme conditions. But here's the part most people miss. The real winners might not be the big names we know. Could startups like Via or Aviatrix disrupt the status quo with niche cloud-native solutions? Only time will tell. Breaking down the market. Hardware dominance. In 2023, hardware components claimed 50% of the market share. Why? Because edge computing requires robust, energy-efficient infrastructure to process data locally. Think of it as the muscle behind real-time analytics. IIoT's edge. The Industrial Internet of Things, IIoT, grabbed 35% of the market in 2023. By enabling instant data processing from sensors and devices, IIoT is revolutionizing manufacturing, energy grids, and transportation. But what happens when these systems become too reliant on edge computing? Could a single point of failure cripple entire industries? Regional power struggle. North America led the charge in 2023 with 43% of the market, thanks to its advanced tech ecosystem and 5G rollout. However, Asia-Pacific is poised to outpace it in the next decade, driven by rapid urbanization and 5G adoption. But is this growth purely organic? Or are governments in China and India subsidizing the surge to dominate global tech? The debate is heating up. What's next for edge computing? Recent partnerships and product launches are reshaping the landscape. For instance, Zedeta and OnLogic joined forces to create rugged, secure edge solutions for enterprises. Meanwhile, Zella DC's Outback micro data centers are built to survive harsh environments, proving edge computing isn't just for data centers anymore. But here's the elephant in the room. How will cybersecurity evolve to protect these decentralized systems? The report's Cybersecurity Incident Index reveals a worrying spike in breaches from 2020 to 2023. Could edge computing become the next target for hackers? Why this report is a must-read. The full report dives into exclusive sections like technological adoption rate. Track how AI, containerization, and real-time analytics are being embraced across industries. Supply chain disruption index. Identify regions at risk of vendor concentration or cloud dependency. Environmental compliance metrics. Navigate the growing pressure for localized data processing and energy efficiency. SNS Insider. A leader in market research, delivers actionable insights through surveys, focus groups, and global data. But we want your take. Do you think the edge computing boom is a well-founded revolution or a speculative frenzy? Share your thoughts in the comments. We're eager to hear your perspective.